Hello everyone, my name is Joel Goldman. I'm a senior sales engineer with Thales Trusted Cyber Technologies, speaking to you live from my beautiful COVID bunker in the heart of Pennsylvania. First of all, let me wish that yourself and all of your loved ones are and remain safe during these times. Speaking of COVID, surely we've all noticed the impact on the importance of identity in this new world. The number of remote workers has skyrocketed in the last 18 months, the effect of which has been a huge demand on our IT security teams. Shifting from an on-prem authentication to all different kinds of remote identities and devices has been a massive undertaking. It's been such a pleasure speaking and working with so many agencies this past year and hearing how they've addressed these challenges and having discussions on how we can help them to streamline and protect even further. Let me take you through an introduction of who we are at Thales Trusted Cyber Technologies and how we can help you.
Thales Trusted Cyber Technologies is a U.S.-based provider of government high-assurance data security solutions. Our mission is to provide innovative solutions to protect the most vital data from the core to the cloud to the field for defense, intelligence, and civilian agencies across the U.S. federal government. We are a business area of TDSI, Thales Defense and Security, Inc. Our president is Lloyd Mitchell, and we are headquartered in Abingdon, Maryland. We are a trusted U.S. source of supply for key technologies for the federal government due to the fact that we maintain all required U.S. federal government approvals and certifications to develop, support, and sell our products. As part of TDSI's Defense Counterintelligence and Security Agency proxy, Thales TCT will continue to be protected from foreign ownership, control, and influence from our commercial entity, the Global Thales Group. Thales TCT will also be governed by the Committee of Foreign Investment in the U.S. National Security Agreement established with SafeNet Assured Technologies, which provides further FOCI mitigation to the products and services provided to our customers. We also provide U.S.-based support for all products developed or sold through Thales Trusted Cyber Technologies. All TCT sales and support are U.S. citizens, and over 80% of which maintain active security clearances. On May 12th of this year, the White House issued an executive order to strengthen and protect our nation's critical cybersecurity infrastructure. While we are here focusing on innovative technologies and secure ways of vetting identities at the Federal Identity Forum, it's also important to keep in mind that identities are a critical component, but only one part of the overall zero trust security architecture. The core takeaways from this executive order are summarized as follows. Adopt multi-factor authentication everywhere possible. Encrypt data at rest and data in transit. Identify and classify sensitive data. Accelerate movement to secure cloud services and adopt a cloud security strategy. And advance toward zero trust architecture. With regard to the first topic of the EO, clearly every agency by now is or should be using the HSPD-12 PIV credential for their secure network logon and logical access. But have you addressed all the different access points requiring authentication? Do you have a federated identity backed with a strong two-factor authentication for things such as VPN access, all the multiple and ever-increasing cloud services such as Office 365, Azure, AWS, etc.? Have you protected your isolated and private networks with two-factor authentication? I mean, even if it's not connected to the outside world, two-factor authentication is still strongly recommended. Are all of your privileged user or admin accounts backed by two-factor authentication? Do you have multiple tokens, cards, or devices for different admin accounts managed by the same person? And do you want to simplify the number of physical devices? With our suite of identity and access management solutions, Thales TCT can help you with this. I like to say that we put the ICAM in FICAM. Trusting identities is the first part of the equation, but what you grant access to afterwards and the whens and hows are even more critical. Having an easy user interface with secure single sign-on to all of their applications enhances the adoption, improves performance, security, and reduces administration costs. If you're looking for forms of multi-factor authentication devices, Thales TCT is here for you. Our range of options is second to none. We've got everything from GSA certified PIV credentials to FIPS 140-2 and soon FIPS 140-3 certified PKI devices that are Windows plug and play. We've got FIDO devices. We've got a wide range of hardware OTP devices, as well as our FIPS certified Mobile Pass OTP app for mobile devices, and our proprietary grid pattern authentication. Our STA and SaaS platforms also support third-party credentials such as the Google Authenticator, voice recognition, and oath-compliant devices from third-party vendors such as RSA or YubiKey, allowing you to leverage your existing investments. While we can help you with the identity part of the equation, we at Thales TCT can also assist you with the additional components. With our CipherTrust data security platform components, our line of high-speed encryptor appliances, and our line of HSMs serving as your root of trust backbone, we can help you meet the EO requirements for everything from the discovery and classification of sensitive data on your network, to identity, trust, and access management, to data at rest and data in transit encryption, to centrally owning and protecting all of your encryption keys, whether they be cloud keys or local keys. Within the CipherTrust platform, our data encryption solutions deliver granular encryption and role-based access control for structured and unstructured data residing in databases, applications, files, and storage containers. With centralized key management and hardened root of trust, agencies can ensure their master keys are protected and data remains secure. Protecting network transmitted data against cyber attacks and data breaches is imperative for federal agencies. Data network eavesdropping, innocent error or technical failure, data tampering, and data theft have all become commonplace. The implications of significant data breaches are often catastrophic. Only encryption can ensure that your agency's data remains protected while transmitted across data networks and links. Let us help you with our line of high assurance network data encryption appliances so that you can be assured your data is rendered useless in unauthorized hands. Lastly, our hardware security modules are dedicated crypto processors designed to protect your cryptographic key lifecycle. HSMs serve as trust anchors that protect an organization's cryptographic infrastructure by securely managing, processing, and storing said keys inside of a hardened and tamper-resistant device. Our HSMs also meet government mandates for U.S. supply chain and are designed, developed, manufactured, sold, and supported right here in the United States. I want to say thank you for taking your time to watch our video. I hope you learned lots with your time at the FedID Forum. If you're attending the in-person day at the Press Club on August 26, please stop by our table to say hello. I look forward to meeting you. From all of us at Thales TCT, stay safe.